class. Our team is confirmed by Juan BUITRAGO, Juan ABELLO, and me, Juan CASTAño. In the process that we are going to explain is how to use the multimeter.
Precautions for multimeter use. Before you take a measurement with your multimeter, you should visually inspect it first. Check the meter, test probes and accessories over for signs of physical damage. Make sure all plugs fit securely and keep an eye out for exposed metal or any cracks in the casing. You should never use a damaged meter or damaged test probes.
What are volts? Gauge measurement of voltage, and voltage is the derived unit of electric potential. Electric potential difference and electromotive force. Besides there are two different voltage currents: alternate and current and direct.
Alternating current. How to test for measure the alternating current, we will use the outlet, and using the multimeter place the negative lead in the COM port. COM in the port. And the positive lead in the port label with B ohms and MA. B and A. Turn the dial on the AC current alternative visual labeled with B quick line. Now we take the tips and the put in the outlet measure and the voltage.
Yeah.
If the choice is in 115.
How to measure direct current. Next, let's measure direct current, which can be found in batteries. Here I have one 9 volts. Place the negative lead in the COM port. And the positive lead in the port labeled with the V ohms MA. Turn the dial to DC or direct current, which usually is labeled with a fixed solid line and dotted line. Place the negative lead to the negative terminal of the battery. and the positive lead onto the positive terminal. Your reading should be above 9 volts. If it is less, then the battery needs to be replaced. In this case, 9.84.
Thank you for your time.